Hey everyone, I'm at Matt's Wholesale Deals. I'm going to get an Amazon mystery box for $45. It's $45. We're going to open it up when I get home and see what's in here. And I'll let Matt know whether it was a hit or not. Follow us. Welcome out to the shop today, guys and girls. Now this is going to be a good one. This is going to be a special one. Normally I do videos on DIY stuff, but today on Cleve's Insights, I got a special one for you. I did it. I went and purchased an Amazon mystery box for $45 at one of my favorite wholesale spots. It's Matt's Wholesale over in Stockbridge, Georgia. Let's give a good shout out to Matt. He's always got good deals over there. But I'm going to show you this box now, and I'm also going to show you why I picked this particular box. These boxes weigh about 30 pounds and they cost $45, and they're loaded with goodies from Amazon. So remember, while you sit and think about this and I get the box, go ahead and take a little time to like and subscribe, and we're going to get this party started. I need to get some lotion on me ashy hands. Wow, this is good stuff, by the way. Okay, so this thing, I had to bring it in with this dolly because, face it, I'm getting older now. It's kind of heavy and bulky. So we'll put this out of the way. But one of the main reasons I got this particular box is because if you look real close, right here, it's got the label stating that there's something in here that runs on battery. So I know I got something that's going to be electrified, which is, electronics, which tells me I may be on to something. So we'll go ahead and open it up and take everything out one by one and see what I got. Remember, $45, I can't beat it. So let's get started and see what we got in here. I'm just excited, man. I never had one of these. I always wanted to get one. The prices just went up. They were $40, but I don't know, inflation, tariffs, whatever, I don't know. But we're gonna get this thing open up and see what we got in here. The question is, did I get lucky? We'll see. Hope I got lucky. And I hope I didn't get a dud box, but if so, I'm sure there may be some things in it that I can't use. And if there are, I'm sure I could find someone that can use it. Maybe one of you guys may be able to use something out of here. I'll give it to you. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. My goodness, look at this. First item, 360 Protect smartphone case. I don't know what kind of phone it's for. Let's see. Wow, it's a nice one. It's a nice one. Jeez, look at that. Wow. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like it's for an iPhone. But if I got to live my life over, I would find you sooner and I could annoy you longer. That's great. Yeah. Greeting cards. What's this? Something silicone. Another phone case. The hell? What is this? It's got two straws. It's like a pouch for a phone or something. Ah, okay. It's for a water bottle. Insulated water bottle. With a strap, so you put your water bottle and a phone in that. I'll take it. Oh my God, what's this? The woman's bathrobe. More greeting cards. Don't know what that is. Wow, what's this? Five-hole silicone. Some things I just have to open up, guys, to see what it is. I don't know what this is. This box is just loaded with stuff. It's crazy. What is it? Huh. Silicone case. I don't know what it looks like for maybe e-cigarettes or something. That'll be something for the garbage. There's another one. More cards. Another phone case. A baseball shirt. Cards. Beast Bite gummies. Creatine infused gummies, sweet blue raspberry. Something for the trash. A piece of jewelry. This box is loaded with stuff. Jeez. This. Whew. What is this? Acrylic pen holder. There's two of these in there. Running out of room, guys. Boy. Another cell phone case. What's this? Eyewear. 2 pieces. It's like a woman's blouse. Flower. Body tattoos. The hell? Some kind of a sweatshirt. Eyewear again. Pajama top. A shirt. Blanket. Good for the car. Another blanket. Christmas tree ornament, a star for the top. Wow. Never seen this before? A wrist strap window breaker. Wow. How in the hell does that work? There's 2 in here. Supposed to break a window, I guess. That'll take some research. A little wooden box. So this is why it was so heavy. What the hell is this? Fruitcake cookie set. 2 of these. The hell is? Looks like they loaded me down with these things. What are they? I think they may be for silicone straws. Check. I think that's what they may be. They may be silicone straws. Let's open up and take a deeper look. I don't see any straws in here. That's great. There's nothing even in there. Well, guys, I think I kind of got maybe, I won't say ripped off on this one, but so far, man, I don't see nothing I can use. All these silicone straw things. Look at that. Look at that. I'm not gonna say they got me, but I'm not impressed yet. What is this? Picture frame. What kind of picture frame could this be? Let's see, guys. What kind of picture frame could be in this box? Love at first heartbeat. And you put a picture in there. That's great. No luck so far, guys. Bunch of crap. Got a whole package of wristband keychains. That's what I needed. Eyewear. I think they got me, guys. Another phone case. What the hell is this? Don't know. I think they got me. They got me, guys. They got me. Oh well. Kind of like $45 worth of nothing. $45 worth of nothing. What is this? A scarf. Last but not least, a pair of ladies' shoes. Look at these boats. Jeez, what size are these things? Size 11s. So I'll be taking stuff to Goodwill. It's really nothing in there I can use. And what's this? A keychain. Well, that's the way it goes sometimes. This is my first time buying one of these boxes. I think it may be my last time, but it was worth a try. It was like $45 down the drain. This stuff I'll probably just take it to Goodwill, put it back in the box, let my wife look at it and see if there's anything she can use, but I don't see anything great about it. But at any rate, thanks for following along, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.